Konnichiwa, everyone. Today, I received my Tokyo treat box today, and for October, and we're gonna find out what's inside it. Wow, look at all that good stuff in there. I got the Prime box, and they have different boxes. And this one is the Trick or Tokyo treat. We got a little thing here that tells you what sort of stuff you get. So I'm just going to show you today what we got, because I'm in a rush and have to go somewhere. So it looks like we have some little crackers, which I'll try later, and then we've got the, looks like it's carameled apple Kit Kats, and looks like we have a four-pack of little, I don't know, I guess they're like crackers or something, but you can like share them with your friends. Looks like we have some Halloween chocolate chip cookies. Isn't that cute? It's got Tigger from Winnie the Pooh on it, and then Winnie the Pooh on the back. And looks like we have some more crackers or cookies or whatever. They gave me a sucker, and it looks like it's like maybe strawberry or whatever color this is. Well, that's cool. It's like a little skull right here with brains coming out. This one I think might be like a big Cheeto from what I've seen in videos. This one, I'm not sure what this one is, but we'll find out. And it looks like I got a drink. Not sure what flavor this is. Of course, I don't speak Japanese, so we'll just have to find out what it is when we taste it. And these are like cookies. Maybe those will be good. This one looks like it might be like excuse me, like a little kind of chewy bar. And this one is a DIY, and it's got instructions on the back how to do it. That's cute. This one, not really sure what it is, but it might be chocolate. Got some cute little bunnies or kitties on it, whatever those are. These ones, so like right here on this picture, it looks like it's what are those things called? it's like a chip, sort of. I used to get these kinds of chips when I was little. And then this one's like really soft. Maybe it might be a marshmallow or something. Not sure. Is that it? Yep, that's it. But just wanted to let you all know that I got my October box and might just try some of these later.